Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rehman. In this video, we'll discuss 8 tips for a smooth transition into a new job. The very first thing is to maintain a positive attitude. While you have been excited to take the next step in your career, transition into a new position will almost certainly present some challenges. It is critical to maintain a positive attitude and keep your chin up during the transition. Showing your enthusiasm will most likely attract your co-workers and make initial interaction go more smoothly. Next step is to develop a routine. Returning to work may be difficult at first as you adjust to your new responsibilities. Attempting to actively build and manage routines will allow you to increase your efficiency and effectiveness while also giving a sense of stability. This leads to our third tip, that is to introduce yourself to the company's culture. Fitting in at a new job frequently entails observing and adapting to company's overall culture. Make the office norms your new habit and embracely the culture of your new company. Next step falls more into productive sections, and that is to make a list. Make physical and mental notes about what is going on around you. While you are learning about company's culture, you should also become familiar with some of the other norms, like what is your boss reaction to a certain event, what are the issues for which you have a solution for. While you are settling in, adopt a fly on the wall attitude to observe all the company's operation. Fifth tip is to set objective. Ask yourself what you need to accomplish in your first 3 months, what you want to accomplish in your future, and how you intend to improve your efficiency on a continuous basis. These are just a few starter questions to get you started. Get out of your comfort zone and try interact with everyone on the team. Introduce yourself and always accept invitations to happy hours. These are the people who will most likely be your networking contacts for years to come. Next step is to increase your involvement. While you're sitting figuring out your own responsibilities, it is also important to lend a helping hand when you can. Offer a service if you know a coworker who could benefit from your assistant in tying up some loose ends on a project. This will give you opportunity to work with someone new while also demonstrating your willingness and ability to work as a part of a team. And this brings us to our last tip, and that is to look for mentorship. After a while, observe daily operations, reach out to someone you admire within the company. Send them an email or probably start a conversation on Slack or visit them during the free time in office and express desire to learn about and from their experience. So yeah, this was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.